歌的时候嘞，他从小就是阿嬷带大的，他从小他就觉得他一从小不懂事，所以他一直记得的画面就是阿嬷背着他的时候，他抬头起来就看到阿嬷的腿好大。他其实不懂事，但是这个画面让我很深刻，所以我希望今天把这首歌曲的感动唱给大家。阿嬷腿好大，谢谢。出来忘掉，是阿嬷手来抱着你，徛在你脚下，想着我在傻傻地抱呀，真久真
want to enjoy it out here. I'll just, hello, Frank. Don't let me touch the box, Frank. I'm just going to sit down if you don't mind. A smile, bigger smile, bigger smile. Smile bigger, bigger, bigger. That's good, like you just won the lottery. Okay, good. Okay. Amy, wave the wand. Okay, Amy, the other hand up high. That's good, that's good, that's good. Point the wand at the rings. You smile. Oh, that's good. Now, Amy, move the wand in a circle. Say some magic words. Now tap the rings 3 times. Tap the rings 3 times. Walk over there and tap them with the wand. Walk over there and tap the rings. Thank you, thank you. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do it again. This time we're going to count in Spanish. Go for it. 1, 2, 3. 3 times in Chinese. Go for it. Any other languages? Taiwanese. Okay, you know it, I don't. That sounded like Chinese to me. And now I'm going to teach a new language, Roman. Roman. Go for it. Everybody. I. I think it worked. Hand me the wand. Hand me the wand. Amy, go like this, palm up. Set the rings in her hand there. Jesse, let go. Now, move back a little bit. Now, Jesse, this is your big moment. This is your big moment. Keep smiling. Go like this. Open up the handkerchief so you can just see the rings. Now, look, use your eyes. Open it up all the way. Do you see a ring with a black spot? Is that funny? Okay. Do you see a ring with a black spot? There it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, now, pinch it, but don't move your hand. Pinch it. Pinch it with your finger. Just pinch it with a black spot. Pinch the black spot. Now, don't move. Drum roll, please. 1, 2, 3. Lift the rings all the way up. Go for it. Lift them up. Yeah. Give them a big hand. Excellent. How did you do that? Your wife is magic. Whatever she's got, you nurture it. That is special. Let's give Amy and Jesse a very nice hand. Thank you. Okay, you can walk off the stage. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you've seen some strange things before. But what you're about to see now is the strangest, the most mysterious, and the most unexplainable thing you're ever going to see. These are the famous Conradi blocks. Maybe you've seen these before, maybe you haven't. I have to show them to you. When I had a chance to travel to Europe back in '82 with nothing but a backpack and a Euro pass, I went to Germany and I met a gentleman named Conradi, and he showed these to me. And these have baffled scientific minds for almost 100 years. I'd like to show them to you now. The Conradi blocks consist of 2 stacks of blocks. As you can see, this stack here numbered 1 through 6, and this stack numbered 1 through 6. Now these blocks are numbered only on one side. That's very important to remember. There's 2 stacks, but I'm only going to use the stack on your left. This stack will stay in full view the whole time to help you remember how this one is or was. And there's also a cabinet or a tube. And the tube is just large enough for the blocks to pass through. They can't turn around and they can't pass one another. What's it all about? Let me show you. We'll begin by dropping these blocks in the tube, reversing the order. The 1 goes to the bottom, followed by the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. Now, Conradi discovered that once the blocks pass through the tube, strange, mysterious, and unexplainable thing happens. Each and every block rearranges themselves like those. Now, some people thought maybe Conrad, he said he was going to do it, and he didn't do it, or maybe they weren't sure if he had really reversed them. So I'll reverse these blocks again, this time outside the tube. And you can see that they are indeed exactly opposite the ones on your right. But watch how quickly and accurately, once these blocks pass through the tube,
it'll be too late. And so we have to find new ways.